now time for Case or No Case. Joining me is Lou Cairo from GWC Injury Attorneys. And today we have 3 cases that we're going to determine if they are a case or not a case. So Lou, we're going to be putting Cameron and Carly to the test. We're going to see who can guess the right answers. Are you all ready?
It's
yes,
on,
let's
Cameron.
Do it. I'm ready. I'm ready.
First case or no case?
It's Cameron's first time, so the pressure's on here.
Gotta make sure my wrist action is good.
Yeah, you got it? All right.
This first accident has to do with the banana peel slip and fall?
Right. It's a kind of a joke. You always see like cartoons, someone slipping on a banana, right? But in real life, it really happens. So you have a scenario where somebody goes to a convenience store, get their coffee in the morning, whatever, and the guy's walking out, and in the parking lot, the convenience store's parking lot, he slips and falls, and he hurts his leg, hurts his neck, his head is pounding, he looks around, and there by his feet is a old brown, like beat up banana peel that he apparently slipped on. So he goes in and he tells the cashier, I just slipped in this banana peel in the parking lot, and I need to get compensation because I'm going to go to the medical to get some medical treatment. My head is killing me. And the cashier kind of responds, he goes, you're not even in my store, you're in the parking lot. And plus, who's to say it was a banana from one of my customers? We're not going to pay anything. So the question is, this is kind of an easy one. Does he have a case against the convenience store owner for slipping on a banana peel in the parking lot?
Easy for who?
Case. I say case because
Why?
it's their property. They should have maintained it.
Hang on. Cameron, why is it a case?
It's a case because it's the grocery store's parking lot, so it's on their property still. That's where I'm going with.
And you said a brown banana peel, so that's probably been there for a while.
See, she's been on the show too many times. I mean,
I'm too
honestly,
smart for you, Lou.
everybody thinks the same thing Cameron says. Well, it's on their property, so you're liable, right? And that's not the answer. The answer is it's a brown banana peel, so it's been there for a long time, giving the store enough opportunity to clean up the mess and fix it. Otherwise, if somebody drops a banana peel and you slip on it, there's no time for the store to even see it or fix it. So you're both right, but the important thing is why you're both right. Oh. Okay?
What if I had a brown banana peel in my car and I decided to throw it out and maybe it had only been there for a short time?
If the store could prove that happened, then there would be no case against the owner.
Okay.
That's why surveillance is great. You know, the surveillance cameras, they'll always figure it out, right?
Yeah, I've had to defend myself a couple times. All right, and
She drops brown bananas all over
brain
the place.
freeze from a frozen drink.
Okay, so the same guy, right? The cashier feels bad, right? Because you're saying you're not going to get any money, but here, I'll give you a free Slurpee. You have a headache, it'll help with your headache. So gives him a ice cold. Slurpees are really cold, right? The guy's aggravated. He gets in his car. He starts driving, and he has a major brain freeze. We've all had them, right? Drink too fast, super cold, and he gets in an accident, and he really gets hurt from the accident. So he calls the law firm up, and he says, "I'd like to bring a claim against this convenience store because while I sprained my ankle when I fell, I got really hurt in the car accident from this brain freeze." Turns out that they put dry ice in the Slurpee to keep it super, super cold.
Oh, wow.
And you can get sick from dry ice. You know, it's toxic. So he wants to sue because it was potentially toxic. It was super cold, causing a brain freeze, causing an accident.
Cameron, I'm going to let you take this one.
Well, one, he's having a bad day, this guy. So he slips on a banana peel, he gets a brain freeze.
It's going to get worse.
So I'm going to say case, because if you're putting dry ice in there, then that's, it's toxic, can't do that.
Right. I was going to say no case with a brain freeze, but we're talking dry ice in that drink. That's sketchy. It's a case.
Okay, now let me ask you about the question. What did the dry ice have to do with why he got a brain freeze, though? He just got the Slurpee. They're always ice cold. Right?
They are, but that seems unfit for human consumption.
So is this a case or
it's no case?
No
we gotta
case?
Get to the next
It's
case.
no case?
No, because had he gotten sick from the dry ice, that's different. But he didn't get sick. He just got a brain freeze because it was cold, and it usually is.
Okay, we only have a few seconds left for the last one. It's a medical collection
Real
case.
easy. This guy has a great case for the first accident, right? He gets sued by the hospital because they say he hasn't paid his medical bills. And the guy says, well, I got a great lawsuit for the slip on the banana peel. Wait till my lawsuit's over. The question is, can the hospital and the doctors sue him and collect their money today, or do they have to wait till the lawsuit's over? Case or no case for the hospital?
I would say case, just because they probably don't care that much about the personal circumstances in your life.
Case.
They just want their money.
Whether you have a case or not, you owe the money. So get medical insurance, because otherwise, and people think, well, I was in an accident. They have to wait, like I have to wait. Not the law. The law is, if you get the medical treatment, you got to pay for your medical treatment.
Gotcha.
Nice.
Thank you, Lou.
Lou, I say they did pretty good today.
I would think they did. I give them both a B+.
I'll take that being my first time.
There you go. It's passing, right? Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
Thanks for being here. All right, for more information, just head to gwclaw.com. Lou Cairo's always got you covered there.